For making inventory receipt entry, click on to transaction and select material receipt. Enter the store name, supplier name, select the category, select update stock, select purchase order, enter PO number, PO date and PO type. Enter item code and item name. Click on to save option. Material receipt saved successfully. You can print this material receipt. For entering stock ledger, click on to report and select stock ledger. Enter the store name. Select suppress zero value. Verify the from date and to date. Click on to show option. The stock ledger is displayed. Inventory receipt and stock ledger has been done successfully. Thank you.